Exit Chungmu Station, Exit 4. Turn left into the alley next to Paris Baguette. Let's walk along the Pildong Art and Cultural Street, so-called Pildong Street Museum, Yesultong. Go next to Paris Baguette. There are two-story buildings lined up that don't fit in with the downtown area of Seoul. When you see this round logo on the ground, turn right. The red part of the map seems to be the center of Yesultong. Let's go toward the center. The man in red trousers on the left is a photo spot. There's also a logo on the center floor. The road toward Namsan Hanok village is also Yesultong. You'll see the Yesultong sign before you get to the entrance of the Hanok village. There's a round logo on the ground. If you go to the right of this three-way intersection, you'll see the Paris Baguette we saw earlier. Let's walk to the opposite side. The left side of this road is the Joseon Dynasty Hanok village. The right side feels like a Seoul residential area from the 80s. Dead end, can't go any further. There is a small door on the left that leads to Hanok village. Let's also take another route in Yesultong. If you continue from exit 4 of Chungmu Station, you will see a robot on the left. If you take the robot to the side street, you will come to the center of Yesultong. There is a guide to the street museum in Yesultong on the left, so refer to it. This is the center of Yesultong that we saw earlier. Let's go up from here. This road feels like a mix of the 20th and 21st centuries of Seoul. It would be nice to take a break in the lounge on the left. One of the street museums is on the left. Murals can be seen here and there. The house and alley on the left road feel like they are from the 70s. The gangster in front is also a photo spot. If you go up the stairs behind the gangster, you will come to Namsan Trail. You can see Namsan Tower on the right. As you go up, there is the Namsan Hanok Village Observatory on the left. You can see the whole view of the Hanok village and the buildings on the Chungmu side. If you go down the stairs, you can go to the Hanok village. Let's go back to the Namsan Trail. If you go further under the bridge, you will find the Namsan Tunnel number 1. It is the first tunnel that goes through Namsan. If you go to the left of the bridge and go up the bridge, you will find the Namsan Trail.